Red Devil foam and fill window and door gun foam is ideal for professional window and door sealing projects. It insulates doors and window frames, electrical outlets, water pipes, and other exterior openings, plus seals gaps, joints, and cavities to increase energy efficiency. This foam bonds to various substrates, including wood, metal, and vinyl. Red Devil's window and door foam repels moisture, seals against air penetration, and provides high, long-term insulation value. This high-quality sealant is designed for no mess, no drip dispensing, and will remain flexible after cure. Its low pressure and low expansion formula bonds to all window and door frames without wrapping, bending, or bowing. When using it with Red Devil's Pro Dispensing Foam Gun, you will have precision bead control and 30-day restartability.